Ayan po, dito na po tayo. Good morning sa accommodation ng Hospital King Fahad sa Arraida. Ayan po. Just the main gate, Bacoor City. Ayan po mga kaibigan, dito na po tayo sa main gate. Ayan.
Check ID.
Ayan po ang security. Po ang accommodation. Ang dami ganda.
Same building.
Parang bagong building. Ayan po ang accommodation ng King Fahad
But he took the
sa Arraida.
Tariq.
Maybe this one, no? This one, no?
Luwag. Ito po ang accommodation na bago ng ayan.
Continuous.
Ganda.
Don't pay, no?
Where is Mahinda love? Too much excited.
Yeah.
Ayan po ang accommodation. Wala at malawak. You call first the housing the department.
Yeah? Yeah.
Then,
In 150 meters, turn right.
Ayan po mga kaibigan. Good morning.
Turn
Clear
right,
the
then
car.
turn left.
Before the base Silada, this one. I don't know another department. Base Silada.
that was a vehicle.
I was
One car going there.
Take the next right, then turn right.
Ayan, tutor ko kayo sa accommodation na medyo halo-halo na dito eh. Iba-ibang mga company na rin yung mga nakatira dito.
In 200 meters, turn right.
Ford. I see that. This one.
Go.
This one housing people.
Pani.
This one housing people, oh.
Your
I'm happy,
destination is
but this one building there.
Pinamber building. Oh, mga kaibigan. Ayan, this one na sa shit.
Plus.
Mga kaibigan.
Happy.
Ada.
Yellow coin.
Go, mapi.
Yellow!
Mapi, pare. Mapi.
Ada yellow pa rin.
Mapi, pare.